Up on YouTube now. Hello again, Oliver. How's it going? You still doing good? You on my monitor the whole time? You just summoned it. You summoned into my computer. Got noise. Nice, man. Yes, we're just gonna be picking up exactly where I left off an hour ago. So yeah, let's just continue on. Everything's the exact same. I've touched nothing whatsoever. So, at the end of... Oh wait, I need to mute Discord. I'm sure it's fine actually. Nah, I'll just leave it unmuted. Okay, but yes, no. End of last stream, did some design work. Added this global thing, remade the main level because that was broken for some reason. Clock actually works now. I need to set that back so it's the appropriate time frame. But yes, that's where we were at the end of this morning. So today, going to start actually making stuff. So okay, I've got a list of things I know I need to do, but I'm not quite sure what order I should be doing these in, which is kind of what I want to figure out now. So obviously I've got all the tasks, but I'm not sure if I should like do the framework for the tasks first, or if I should do something else. So that's what I want to figure out. So if I bring up the design document, oh, I have not. Here we go. Restart capture. There we go. Is this also paused? Nope. Cool. So yeah, I've got a few things I need to do. I've got quite a few things I need to do. The problem is just what order do I do them in? I've done the time. This is done. Time is done. Tasks are all here. And then I've got this basic stuff which I haven't done. But it's like, I haven't quite planned out how you get the tasks. My idea is that like someone would pop in from the door here and go, task, task, task. And then if you don't notice them, then they'll disappear, but you'll still get the task. What I was thinking was maybe instead have on this display here, have this flash turn into like a mail icon, and then you'll get a task in your mail, I guess. But I don't know. Yeah, I think that's how I'll do it. And then I can have people come through the door if I want. So, how do I want to approach this? I think the first thing I need to do is figure out how I'm going to actually have all this work. Because currently, if I open Godot, yeah, so we have, this is the monitor. So yeah, we have 3 screens here, which all display something different. You have your main monitor here, which is gonna have like the statistics you need to track. You're gonna have the computer where you do all your tasks, and then you've got the book where you reference and learn how to do stuff. So I was gonna have everything happen on the computer. The problem with this is I'm not quite sure how to do it, because it's a bit complicated, unsurprisingly. I'm also going to change this node back to 2D, node 2D. I think that will just be a bit better. Everything should still work a-okay though. Yep. Cool. I was also thinking that so currently you've got to like turn one off before you can open the other one, but I could have it so like if you like press the other one, then this one automatically closes and then this one opens. I'm not quite sure though. I might leave it as is. I think for now this works fine, and if I want to do the other, it's not too difficult to add. So yeah, we're gonna have to do some UI stuff to be able to get everything here we need. I was planning on using the tabs similar to how I've done the book. If I go to the book, yeah, so I've got different tabs, so tab container, and then I've got like a different page, you know, different pages. So I think that's makes the most sense of the way to do it again. So I'm going to be doing that. Tab container. Yeah. So what about there? And then I should actually be able to, where is transform minus 300. There we go. Boom, that's aligned. And then make that, how big do I need? Like 800? Oh, obviously 800, and then 600. Couldn't remember how big I made them, but yeah, cool. And so now that we've got this, then I can go under this and put different stuff. So I'm actually going to put this back to control, and that's because I'm going to make the ones under here, I don't know. Hey Ryan, how's it going, man? Going well? Okay. Good, man, that's good. Do I want the tab bar under? Yeah. Oliver's talking a lot of shit right now. What's he saying? Of course he's on YouTube. Yep, he's on the YouTube end. Tab alignment. He hates the Just Spirit community. Is that true, Oliver? Are you a hater? I have it on the side. Everything he's saying is true. Damn. I didn't realize you were such a hater, Oliver. This is honestly disgusting. Can't believe I've learned about it like this. Disappointed, man. Very disappointed. How sad. Just. Okay. Ooh, YouTube. Okay, now he's over here. Okay. I'm gonna make this. It was 800 by 600. I guess 600 by 600. Make it a square. And then. Nah, that's a bit big. Anyway, welcome to Twitch, Ryan. 700. 700 looks alright. Cool. Can I want to have them like stack vertically is the thing. Because currently they stack left to right. But the ideal would be to stack it vertical. Yeah, no, that's great. It's great. It's why I always put on when I'm coding. It's very nice. That's Feeman. I'm wanting to make it so they stack vertically instead of like side by side. I guess instead of having a tab bar, it might work better to have it so it stacks like left to right. Maybe. 100. Yeah, like that. So if I make this like what? How's it coming along? Alright, I spent this morning doing design work, which went fine, nothing insane. So now working off of that to make it so we've actually got stuff. It's going fine though. It's going alright, It's kind of hard to get an overall opinion on it quite yet. So we'll see. Okay, I'm getting rid of this tab bar. Because honestly, I'm not liking how it's acting. I want it vertically. I mean, maybe I could just rotate it. If I just rotate it, would it just work? But no, all the text is sideways now. That's the problem. If the text wasn't sideways, this would just work. But it is sideways, so it doesn't just work. Rotation 90 degrees. Position there, I guess. Minus 700, minus 300, and then 600, 100, like this. And then, yeah, if I could have the text the other way around, that would be amazing. But I can't. Not easily, at least. Theme? Maybe I could do something down here with themes. This is all like font stuff, but can I not? You think you're gonna get this done? Yeah, I think it's pretty small. I think I'll be able to get it done by the 3rd. Shane said he might come on as well, so that would make it even easier. Never worked Godot multiple people before, so we'll see how that happens, but just in time for Minecraft, yeah, no, that would be insane. And then I'll be streaming Minecraft all day long. It will go from Godot 9 to 5 to Minecraft 9 to 5. Okay. I won't be, because I won't be here, but I'll play it. That's fair. I'll stream when I get back. That's fair, that's fair. Hopefully the server's still going to be going. God, I'm praying the server's still going to be going, honestly. Tab alignments. Yeah, that's not what I want. I don't want to take the actual text in it. I'm going to go back to theme. I think theme might have something. So much dead time and... yeah. I'm hoping just me streaming it is actually going to help. Like, help me fill up time like that. I guess. Okay. Can I... is it this? Test. Add. Font size. Okay, this is not what I need. Yeah, I'm hoping the server will go well. I've got a few things I want to do, and I've been playing on a server recently, so I've gotten pretty good at just keeping myself busy. Which is kind of the hope. Close. Okay. I think instead of doing this, I'm just going to do buttons. I think that's the best way, I assume. Delete nodes. Yep. And then make a new draw. I'm predicting it launches in the first week of July, but I'll announce specific dates soon, yeah. I think, I bet we're just still waiting on the mods. Ooh, I found, at 2 PM, yeah, that'd be good. I found, if I can open Modrinth, I found a cool World Gen mod that came out recently. I know you kind of already found a thing you like, a world, but where is it? Dashboard. Is it going to be under dashboard? This, yeah. Cliff under a tree. This one, it's like just came out. It's really new. Created a day ago, yeah, but it's got some really cool stuff in it, like these caves, which are super cool. And this is all like vanilla as well. I mean, there is like non-vanilla versions, So hopefully this is going to get updated to 1.20.1 soon. 1.20.1. 1.21 soon, because it's 1.20.6 currently. But, I mean, it's got some really cool looking stuff on it. So yeah, this looks really cool. This looks cool. Yeah. I was trying to put together... I don't even know where I'd find what I'm looking for. Collections? Yeah, this. I think I've only got this in for it now, yeah. I actually thought I would avoid generation mods to not promote exploration, as it could yeah, I get that, I think... I think people should explore. I think people should just have their bases close to each other, though. I think that's it. I really like exploring. I mean, one of the first things I did on the server I've been playing on is I got in a boat and looked for a mushroom biome so we could have some mushrooms. I do like exploring. I think that shouldn't be, like, crushed, but I think the problem is that if you don't, then what people end up doing is going out and building somewhere really far away. Yeah. Is he? I think what we should promote is having, like, all the bases close together, and then if you want to do a build somewhere in, like, a biome, you can, but your main base should be in, like, a certain area. I think that's my main thing. Just start your base in the main area. What we could do is, for the first, like, day or two, we could put a small world border for, like, okay, no one should be further out than this. And then, after everyone started their bases, then we open it up. I want spawn bases too. Probably won't enforce it, though, because it can be a bit dictatory, sorry, I read that wrong. Yeah, I think... my main thing is that the world gen mods are really cool, because they make the world gen really cool, and I love that. I love how cool the world gen can be, but I also don't want people to be really far away from each other. I get the kind of issue. I think my solution is just, if everyone can just agree to be close to each other, or, like, not be super far away. Because, I mean, sure, we'll all get Elytra at some point, and I'm sure we'll get the Nether set up pretty quickly. Anyway, yeah, I think, honestly, it was kind of a joke, but honestly, the world border idea could be insane. I know, I don't know. I think just have a starter base, or at least a good main base, close would be good. And then, I don't know. You can have cool world gen and, like, still all be close to each other. I think all we gotta do is just make sure the coolest world gen is where spawn is, which is an impossible task. But you get the gist of kind of what I'm saying. Where's button? I'll highly encourage us to advise it. To be fair, the last server was fine for it. Yeah, I mean. Me, the guy who, like, would normally go really far out, I was literally on the spawn mountain in the last one. So if I can do it, they can. Yeah, I believe in people. I believe we can manage it. Minus 800. Minus 600. No, minus 300. I think if people just agree to be cool. Layout, transform, position, yeah, 50, perfect. Come on. There we go. Boom. Perfect. Believe? No, not perfect. I lied. Room for... Where is it? Blind. It's because there's transforms hidden away in an extra thing on these. Yeah, I've got good hopes for this server. I mean, we say that every time, but I genuinely really do. I think people are going to be on it more. It's summer. I also think people are going to want to spend more time on it and be closer with people because we aren't, like, can't really see each other at the moment because, like, well, it's summer, like, we've stopped college, so there goes that kind of, like, constant connection thing. Yeah. So, yeah. I've got hope. I've got hope. Okay, I've got 12 buttons. Do I need all these buttons? Home. And then email. And then what else do I need? Let's see here. I'm gonna need phone. I'm gonna need what else? Billing. Yes, bills. That's emails. That's calls, which I've already got. Signer. Timetable. Nope. I'll just say timetable for now. Okay, that's half the buttons done. I guess I could just have them as square buttons. Square buttons could work. If I delete the other half of buttons here. Like that. That's just button 11. There we go. And then layout, transform, and then if I just make them square, like so, and then like this, and then just move it down, like that, and then move this down, and move this down, and then move that down, then final one. There we go. Boom. That's a bit better, I think. Yes, so now we've got actual buttons. Obviously, I'm going to have to style all this at some point. There we go. Why is that looking dodgy to me? Cool. And then I'm going to need 6 tabs. Let me just create 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I want to hide these tabs at the top. I don't want these tabs to be here. Because I've got these tabs on the side which I'm going to use. Tabs visible. There we go. That's what I wanted. Perfect. Cool. And so we've got home. We have email. We have phone. Phone. We have bills. We have signer. And we have timetable. Like so. Cool. And now I just need to do name these the same. Home, email, phone, bills, signer, timetable. Rename this to be buttons. This is display. So, and then we're going to add a script onto computer here. Just so, computer. Now we have our script. This is very much going to work similar to this, how I had this work. I'm going to condense this code because I don't know why I did it like that. There you go. And then there you go. Cool, that's condensed. Nice. And then now we're gonna have to go through and hit a load of stuff. So we're gonna go onto each one of these, go node, and then on button pressed, we're gonna hit connect down the bottom right. You can't see it, and then just select computer, and then on home pressed. Boom, like that. I'm gonna have to do the rest for all of these. I can't do them in groups. Okay, one at a time. Pressed, connect, connect. Phone, pressed, connect. Bills, pressed, connect. Signer, pressed, please, pressed, connect. Timetable, pressed, connect. Cool. So now we have all our functions here. So this is going to be easy. Let me just condense this code a bit. It's a bit spread out. Then, if we look at tab container, it's going to be similar. I'm going to say percentage, and then I want display dot active tab. I think. No, that's active tab rearranged tab. Because there's current tab. Oh wait, before I was just doing current tab plus equals, wasn't I? So if I do current tab is equals to 0, and then just 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and that should be it. Just to make it so it's easier to tell, on under here where we've got all these different things, I'm just going to add a label, which is just going to go right in the center-ish, I guess. Actually no, up there is fine. And this is just going to say home. Copy, paste, and this one's going to say email, and then this one is going to say phone, so I know which one I can see, and this one's going to say bills, because I'm raking in all those bills. This one's going to be signer, and this one's going to be timetable. Boom, like so. Nice. Cool. So we're going to open up that one, this one. So we got home, email, phone, bills, signer, and timetable. And these all work perfectly. It's a bit pixelated because it's getting like scaled up. Where do I filter nearest? I believe. Is it nearest? Or is it linear? I can't remember. I think it's nearest. I'm just going to select everything and then do texture nearest. And we'll see. Actually, text is going to look blurred no matter what in it. I guess maybe I should make this a bit bigger. Actually, what I should do is I should just go into like somewhere text is being displayed. So onto one of these buttons. See if I can change the text font. theme. Open the theme. Default font. New font file. Resource, and then I need to upload a font. I have a good few fonts on here. If I go to game dev, assets, engine, visual fonts, and then I've got quite a few fonts here. Which one suits it? Chunky, probably not. Dicer? Or maybe? I think Dicer could. What's this one? This is just dummy text. That's not quite what I want. Dungeon font, no. Okay. Maybe Equipment Pro, or one of these could be pretty good actually. Not Calf. Calf is a good font, but not for this. Not Curland. I want something a bit blockier. Lil Mark, no. Not Novum either. Okay, what's here? Let's have a look at these fonts. We have Compass, Equipment, Expression, Futile, and Matchup. Which of these look the best? That's not what I wanted. No. Futile's pretty good. Or maybe Equipment. I'm gonna give a go with Futile, and then we will try Equipment. God, there's so many. I'll just do TTF, and then I'll drag in this just in case. Expression. Cool. We've got some fonts in now. And then Futile. So I can just manually type it in. Futile. Pro.ttf. Default font, load. Oh, here we go, like that. And then, can I make it a bit bigger? No, that's a bit too big. Let's face it, okay. How does that look like in-game? Oh, it's fine, I don't... Oh, it just looks really blurry for some reason. I know it's kind of a bit small, but still. Shouldn't be that blurry. What about expression? Like, it's pixel, it shouldn't be blurry. Nearest? Is it linear? I thought it was nearest is the one you want to do. They're the same though. Certainly not linear you want. See, that looks fine like that when I zoom in. But it looks kind of shitty like that. It looks blurry. New font file. No, that's a new font file. I don't want that. I want to load. Oh my god. Oh, what have I even selected? Here we go. Resource. No. Okay. Futile. Add. And then load. Futile. And then I don't know what the point in doing this is. Why does it kind of all the text in this look kind of mid? Okay. Assets. Just gonna throw all those in assets, like so. And then scenes, and then new folder. Scripts. Kind of getting annoying how messy it was getting. Now that's a lot more condensed. Okay. Okay. Let's get back to trying to make this work. This theme stuff is kind of all over the place, I'm gonna be honest. Okay. Default font, quick load, futile. Why is it so much bigger now? What the hell? 100. So yeah. Why is it? I'm trying to figure out why it looks wild. It does not look as clean as it should be. This should just all be solid white. Ay. Input, it won't be input. Nearest. Yeah, I don't think I want linear, because that just makes it all blurry. Which doesn't even seemingly change anything. You know, I'm going to select every finger here and set them to the same thing. Everything is now going to be nearest. Okay. How's that look? That doesn't look any different. It might just be because of the background. The background might be kind of doing it in a bit. How does that look? Oh, I hit my mic, whoops. I don't know why it just looks blurry. Which is really annoying. I don't want it to look blurry. But it just does. Okay, let me just set the theme for default font, Quick load. Utile. Get rid of the font from here. Buttons. So yeah, this all looks really small. The first problem is timetable is really big for some reason. Unsurprisingly, it's the word I used. I don't know what other word I'd use other than timetable though is the thing if I wanted to change it. Don't know why I selected the exact same font instead of the other font which I wanted to select. Okay. I'm just going to try and make the font really big. Boom. Okay, that's kind of how you want it to look. You want it to look solid, like so. Hump. Quick load. Okay. Boom. Yeah, see, that looks really nice. It's solid text. How does that look in... Yeah, see, that looks nice. That looks nice. There, so it also does it at 32, so probably just gonna also do it at 24. No? When's the next time it just does solid? Never? So is the first time it makes it solid 32? Oh no. On everything, every other word but bills, it seems to be pretty solid. Well, on some of the other words, not all of them. 16. And then I thought 24 would be one, but none of them seem to have a great time with 24. What about 32? Yeah. So 32 is good. 32 is a good size. I might just have to make this whole thing twice as big and then half the size of it on the thing. See, these work. It's just these bottom two. Is there other words I could come up with which would mean that I can just shorten these? Sign. And, order, I guess? Order doesn't sound like the right word to use, though. Well, instead of order, timetable's too long, schedule's too long. What is like my character count? 5-ish, depending on which characters it is. I can get away with like 5. I can get away with loads more if they're shorter. Bills, sign. Order would work. Time, it does. This doesn't sound right. It sounds wrong for some reason. I think it feels like it's referring to something else if I say time. Like timing something. I'm gonna lower my camera. Why is it so high up? Hey, I'm down here. Oh. Please also face me, camera. Yeah. Is that better? That's better, yeah. Okay. I'm kind of stumped on what word I should use. Because instead of timetable is too long, it's causing issues. Order could work. I'll just say events, maybe? Events. Events is too long. Event. Order is better than event. I'll just put order for now. Cool. That's that sorted. Then here I want to add a theme as well. Well, I don't want to hide those. I want those shown. I should save this theme as well instead of just kind of having it here. Save. Can I save? Save as? There we go. Computer, yeah, that works. Oh wait, not computer actually. Oh, where did that go? Scenes. Here. Gonna rename this to buttons. Buttons. And then I'm gonna do one for display as well. New theme. Save as. And then this is for display. And then just up. Oh, save. Both of these. Put in a new folder for themes. Haven't quite figured out my foldering system that I'll be using for Godot. We had one for Unreal, but haven't figured one out for this quite yet. Anyway, default font, font file. No, sorry, load font. Quick load. Okay, load. Asset, and I want to use expression for this one, I reckon. And now I'm going to zoom in and make sure it's not blurry. Oh wow, this one's just not blurry. I love that. Okay. Genuinely, unironically love that. Please hide. There we go. So what was this at 16? I'm going to need bigger than 16. 32? 32, yeah. That's 32. Let's see, how's this looking? I know it's the colours that are also going to make it look weird, but cool, that's better. Also, I want to make it so emails actually capitalized. There we go. Cool. That's a start, I guess. Oh. Sprite. Okay. What I'm going to quickly do is throw together some buttons real fast. 25 by 25. Actually, no, I'll do 32 by 32. Just grayscale, honestly, yeah. Oh wow, that's really grayscale. Holy, okay. When it said grayscale, I didn't mean it literally meant the scale of grey, like this. Okay. This kind of color works. Start by this color. Just fill that in. Then get kind of a bit of a lighter shade, maybe this. Brush. Let's make it a bit bigger. 2 pixels, like this. There we go. Whoops, I thought I was. Oh, that's how I do it. Forgot how I use this app for a second. At that, and then if I get a darker, maybe something like this. And then something like that, I guess. That probably works. And then yeah, I think I'll just throw this in the corner, honestly. Actually, wait, I should use the same color as this, really. Look at that. That looks fine. It's just temporary art. I should probably make a new folder for Unpaid CEO. Unpaid CEO. Yeah. Just save it in there. Button temp. File export as button temp. Yep, perfect. Export. Quit a sprite. You can be quiet as well. Assets. Then let me just import that. Where's Unpaid CEO? There it is. Button temp. And then go into buttons. How do I do this again? So what? Icon, is it? That's separate. It's layout. It's theme. Texture? No, wait, that's not the actual texture. New canvas item material, I guess. And then blend mode. No. No. Load. Can't just use a PNG, which makes sense, honestly. Honestly, I just want to add an icon now. Oh, I should probably do that under here, shouldn't I? Yeah. If I'm going to try and do anything on a theme side. Image, add. Background, add. And then that is going to be load, assets, this. Yeah. Icon, yeah, that. Can I do anything with this? Or... Wow, it sure is the icon I made. Is it going to do anything? Can I do anything with it? If I go to theme, quick load, button, nope, does not. I can't just drag it. Oh, I can't just drag it on. Never mind. Yeah, that's just a sprite. I could throw that under view though. Like so. Should not be above the text. I don't know why it's making it above the text. It should not be. Transform. Scale. I guess I'll just do 0. 0. Where's that? That's like 50-50. Okay. 50-50. 2. Okay. 3. Scale that up a little higher. To like 3.2, I'm guessing. 3.2. Wow, I love how it doesn't actually scale properly. 3.2. Nah, 3.2 is not it. It's 3.1. 3.1. There we go. I don't know why that's not behind the button though, so that's weird. That's behind the button, but not in like the way I want. I mean, I can test. Oh, ow. Oh, everybody. My dog is very comfortably just splayed out on my carpet. Okay. Hold the phone. That's not even like... Okay, if I do 3, for example. Okay. And then if I just drag it out, like most conversations, there we go. 3.125. No wonder I couldn't get it by guessing. Okay, and then oh wait, can I just have, oh my lord, I'm an idiot. Idiot. Yes. Let me just select all of these. And then go icon, quick load, button temp. Oh, that's not what I want. Center, expand. Okay, it's close. Although that also just doesn't look too bad, honestly, having it like so it's not taking up the whole thing. Although I do need the text to fit on it, so it's gonna need to take up the whole thing. Icon, please be bigger. Flat on. I mean, it's flat. Text behavior, icon behavior. Great. Okay. Well, I want that to be a bit bigger, so. Why is he? While I'm going to change the font color to black. Here we go. Font like this. There we go. Add. Yes, please be black. How do I make the font color black? It's clearly not like that. I guess I could probably do it up here with the text somewhere. Here, is this it? Oh, there we go. That's what I want. Do that with all of these. Not the display. Flat off. You alright, Holly? Font. Can I not change the font? Oh, is it because I've already changed the home one? Theme overrides, colors, font color. There we go. Now I should be able to include this. Theme overrides, colors, font color. Nice. Cool. Now it's black, which helps nothing, really. Except it goes white now. This is not the type of thing I want to be getting hung up on. And to that I say I'm gonna not get hung up on it. And to not get hung up on it, I'm gonna just set it back to how it was and move on. It is. I will deal with it later. Plus, it's not something I was wanting to do now anyway. Smile. Okay. Oh, now I've got to do everything else. I'm not quite sure what I need to do. Okay, I just need to take a second to reorganize myself, I think. I think I'm kind of rambling, not knowing what I'm doing, and I need to take a minute to figure out what I'm doing. Okay, so I need to make the tasks. I need to have events and stuff that happen. I need, oh, you need to be able to hire and fire people. I forgot about that. Want it now? Yeah, she is. Okay. So I haven't added a way for you to hire and fire them yet, so I'm gonna have to do that. I'll need to add a tab for that, which I forgot to do. That's another tab I'm gonna have to add. Is there any other tabs I forgot? I don't think so. I'm pretty sure it's just hiring and firing, which I forgot. I think that is just it. I'm trying to think. I forgot hiring and firing, which I'll add. And then... Oh, I see, so I yapped to about it. I actually yapped it back. Okay, so I need to reorganize myself here because I'm kind of losing what I need to do. I was gonna hold my mic, but the cable's a bit short at the moment. Why? Oh, just because that's how short the cable is. Oh, you'll have to see it. Can I do this any easy way, or is it only gonna be annoying to do? Oh, whoops. If I just, there we go, and then there we are, and then I thread that cable back down there, and then nice. Now if I just, everything else gets put back where it was. Cool. Nice. Okay, so I'm having to kind of figure out where I'm at again, and then I've just kind of lost it a bit. I'm not quite sure where I am. That sounds really bad. I'm not quite sure what I need to do. I haven't really got an order of operations. There isn't like one clear thing which I need to proceed with next, which is kind of the issue. Maybe it would help if I wrote stuff down, but the thing is, there's not really a clear order or like need to order the next bits. Probably still help if I just order it all and get it clear what tasks I need to get done. That's probably a good idea. So make a list so I fully understand my tasks, and then that'll put me in a good place to move forward. Trying to think. Yeah, I think that's the one thing that actually makes sense at the moment. Write out a list of my ideas, or not ideas, write out a list of the tasks I need to get done, and then do them. That makes the most sense. And then once I've done that, I should be able to just get back to coded. I just feel like there's one really obvious thing that I need to do, which I just haven't thought of. I just feel like there's that one obvious thing I've missed. which I need to not miss. That might be a good idea, not to miss it. Yeah, I can't think of anything. Oh, I need a mic arm. That's something else I need. I need to get a mic arm at some point. I've been spending a bit more money than I should have these past 2 months, so I'm trying to hold off and not spend money. My dog is barking. What's my dog barking at? I might just poke my head out the window and shout at her. Give me a second. There we go. Put my mic. No, let me put my mic back. Is she gonna bark again? Or she stopped? She might have stopped on her own. Seemingly she's stopped. So yeah, let's just continue. And like I said, I'm going to continue by writing out a list of what I need to do. I'm going to task number. Okay. Task number 1. Do I even need this? Delete column. There we go. Just 1 column for now. So. Wrong button. Yeah. Okay. First things first, I need to make all the tasks. So, okay. Let me add a column. Nope, that's wrong. I wanted this. Yeah. Okay. Task. Because this is a task I need to make. No, I don't want those two. Just these two, please. Yeah. Cool. So task is make calls. And then another task I need to do is pay bills. And then another task. Did I copy and paste task? No. Task. I need to do is present meetings. And then another task I need to do is scheduling. Then another task I need to do is checks. And then another one is sign documents. And then another one is union. And then another one is emailing the board. And then another one is taking calls. I can't spell. Take calls. And then lawsuit. Okay, that's all the tasks I need to make. And then what else do I need to do? What I need to do is I need to make the stock graph display. I need to make this slightly bigger then. Nice. And then if I need to display the stock, what do I need for that? I need to display I guess backend instead, actually backend. System System to calculate stock. I can't spell. To be fair, my microphone does cover my keyboard, and I do need to look at my keyboard to write. Okay, system to calculate stock. So that's going to be above that at the very least. I grab both of these. Oh, I can. That's good. Okay, and then what else am I going to need? I need to do hiring and firing. Mechanic. Hiring and firing. Okay. Back end. Okay, no, I'll do display. Display. I also need to display employee count. Employee count. And I also need to display satisfaction. Display satisfaction. Okay. So that's all the stuff that needs to be displayed. The display stuff is pretty easy. It's just get number, show number. I could do that in 5 minutes. Except from the stock graph, that's going to be a bit different because that's a graph. I'll have to figure out some way to do that. I might just do a number. We'll see. Okay. So we've got all the tasks, and then we've got the back end stuff and displays. Hiring and firing. Back end. Okay, I'm back. Back end. What was I gonna write? Employees quitting. Quit. I also need to do employee satisfaction. Back end. Employee satisfaction. I also need to do back end rating system. That's how you get rated at the end of the day, maybe. Yeah, so there's a load of stuff to do. All these tasks are pretty low priority because I need to get kind of like a lot of the other stuff. But also, the tasks are like an important thing, so it feels weird to say they're low priority, but they are. Can I just do that? Oh yeah, that works. Perfect. Like that. The rating system's probably lower than that though. I'm gonna put stock graph here as well. That'll be below employee satisfaction. I don't know how I want to even display satisfaction, so I'm gonna put that there. hiring and firing. Hiring and firing. I should do that, I guess. Nah, I should do that. Okay. What else do I need? What else is there? Because I feel like even if I do all this, I'm going to be missing loads. And I'm trying to think what I'm missing. Okay. I'm just imagining a game with everything I've listed here in and nothing else. And I'm trying to think what's missing. Obviously, there's graphics and music. Assets. Graphics. Assets. Music. UI. I want a main menu. And a pause menu. And I also need a settings menu. Settings menu. Okay, what else is missing? What else is missing? Trying to think. Okay. A game with only what I've written down in it. Okay. Okay. What am I missing? Think about a game with only what I've written down in it, and then nothing else. What is missing? I have the display. Okay, the display would be done. I need to write the manual. That's a big one. Book. Write manual. And then, okay, what else? I guess sound effects as well. Yeah, this is a lot to do. Like I said, I think there's just some big thing stopping me, and I don't know what it is. There's like some one big thing which is stopping me from being able to make good progress, but I couldn't tell you what it is. And it sucks. Because I feel like I should know, but I don't. I don't know. At all. That's OBS. Obviously, I've got all the tasks in. But there's also more stuff. Okay. I'm trying to think. I guess, okay, the mode. Okay, I'm gonna talk about what I'm gonna dub showcase mode. Showcase mode, which is basically just this. Okay, but you still insist on being connected, I see. there. There. Drop this down to like that. Drop this down to that. Okay. So. There's some more stuff I need to add to this, because this is just like a day loop. This is just kind of like what the loop of a day is. So, I'm gonna just make a new one. Okay. So from the main menu, you select showcase mode. Okay. Main menu. Okay. And then that is gonna go into showcase mode. There's gonna be an option called showcase mode. Showcase mode. Okay. So, from this menu, you go into showcase mode. Boom. You're in showcase mode. And then showcase mode is going to ask you to name the company. Name the company. And then once you've named the company, it'll give you an introduction. Introduction. Okay, so there'll be an intro. And then after the introduction, short tutorial. I feel like I spelled tutorial wrong, but okay. Then once I've done that, it's then basically just going to go into this like loop of the day, like so. Okay, so this is then going to start the day after the tutorial. And then once the end of day metrics has happened, instead of looping there, it will go back to the main menu. I think. That makes sense to me. So like this. So this is like the loop for the showcase. So obviously it's the like day loop, and then attached onto that you've also got like this other stuff. Okay. I think because it's a showcase, I can make it more linear and not have it so it's not so random. I want the general tasks to be random. It would be cool if I could force an emergency, but I don't think there's a need to do that. Okay, what do I need for this? Okay, off main menu, there will be settings. There'll be a settings option. Settings. Okay, so off of this, there'll be a settings option, like so. And then, what else will there be? There'll be a quit button, but I can always disable it, I guess. Quit game. I should have the credits actually. Credits. I'll make a version which doesn't have a quit, just for the showcase version. Just Alt F for that stuff. Okay. And then okay. There'll be audio. Okay, there'll be video settings. There'll be audio settings. And then what else? What other settings do I need? Yeah, it's better. Video, audio. I don't need control settings. I think there's just video and audio settings makes sense. Okay, what else? What else? Very loud. People's outside, apparently. Ugh. Okay. Okay. Oh, my brain is frying. I hate to say it. Okay. Hate to be that guy, but... Okay. There we go. Are these actually equal now? No. Okay, wait. Oh. Let me just move these over like that. Move this until it's... Come on. There we go. Move that. And then space that similarly. Okay. 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 I've done that. I'm still not quite sure what I need to do now. I know I've got a list of stuff to do, but I don't know what I should do, is kind of the thing. God, I wish they'd stop screaming outside. It is slightly annoying. Might close my window. Are they possible to not scream? Okay, I'm gonna just shut that. It's very annoying. Okay. No more children screaming. Okay. Honestly, I could probably just get rid of this. Oh, not that. I want to keep that. I would probably get rid of this, because I've got just a copy of it here. No, not that. Like there, okay, and then... Yes, it's annoying moving stuff in this sometimes. Okay. Oh, I love it when it's finding arbitrary distances to balance it with. Okay, so got a list of stuff I can do. How the fuck do I start it? Damn good question. that now. And if I just move this over, no. Okay. It's a bit more condensed now, which is nice. There we go. Okay. There we go. Cool. Everything's spaced out a bit nicer now. And I can move this up to here. So now it all kind of fits on screen. Not that it matters at all, really. Okay. I still just feel like there's some really obvious next step, like, oh, do this, which I'm missing. I might just take a break and do the main menu. More than anything, I think that's gonna be the easiest to do. Yeah, I might just do the main menu, honestly. Might just put me in a better place. Okay, that's still working. Just making sure everything's still working. Okay, this should be back where it was before. Thank you very much. That being over here. Close, just a few pixels off. Both ways. There we go. Okay. It's coming together at least. I think instead of email and home and all that, I'm just gonna shift everything up and then just hire fire kind of button at the bottom. I think that makes the most sense. I just move that like this, and then just move it up by 1, and grab all of these, and just move them all up by 1, like so, and then change this bottom one from home to higher, and then fire. Higher and fire. Like so. What's with the dog? Are they doing the windows? Washing the windows? Dog started barking at someone doing something to do with a ladder, evidently. Node. Okay. Why is it done like that? That's weird. Someone set off all the dogs in the neighborhood, though. Oh, is it because I capitalized the F? There we go. Shifted those all down. Okay. That's all of those shifted. Let me just shift this to the bottom, like so. Okay, that is not what I wanted, but... I wanted it in display like that. There we go. Okay, and then hire and fire, and then go into here, hire and fire. There we go. That's a bit better. Nice. Perfect. Okay, progress. By a tiny amount. And by that I mean I added the hire and fire button back. Well, like added it. Ow. Oh my, I got a weird hand. That's nothing new, but it's weird in a new way. A way I didn't really notice before. Anyway, it's besides the point. There we go. No way that's lined. It doesn't look lined up. That's because it's not. But it's lining up with that, not with this, which would make more sense. That's 5 dots. I love it when my dog's just barking for no reason. It's pissing my mum off as well. Damn, I love how it just doesn't snap to the same place anymore. There we go. That's better lined up. Okay. I'm debating whether I just want to stop at 3 or if I want to just keep going. I don't know. I'm just kind of stuck, I feel. I just kind of feel stuck. Maybe I didn't give myself a long enough break to kind of reset. Although I was kind of going good in the morning. I just don't know what I need to do now. I don't... I mean, sure, I could start looking at tasks, but that doesn't feel like the right thing to be doing. I don't feel like I know what I should be doing next. Maybe I just need to do more planning? I don't know. Now would be a great time for Shane to show up, because he said he would start helping me. I can really do with it right now, I'm gonna be honest. Wow, 3D. Smile. I could do stuff on the book. You know what, okay, I'll do a little bit. I'll plan what book pages there should be. No, that's not what I wanted. First page 2, my favourite. Main node. What? Please actually tell me. Yes, that should be underscored. Yeah, decimal point will be discarded. Good. That's what I want. That is fine. I want it to be discarded. It's kind of the point. That's why I did it. Okay. What pages? I need, let me open. Okay, the pages I need are as follows. Making and taking calls. Okay, calls. Emailing. I guess it'd be very similar to what I did for the computer. So yeah, phone. Okay. I guess it makes sense to have it the same. So what? Emailing, calls, and then what's after calls? Bills, and then sign in, and then timetabling, hiring and firing, and then I need another. This one will be emergencies. Anything else I need? Emails, calls, bills, sign-in, timetable, H&F, hiring and firing, emergencies. That's calls is covered. Emailing the board. I'm going to change this to lawsuits. I guess just a general how it works. General, I guess I'll call it. General, like a general info would be good. Negotiations. So for the union negotiations, wellness checks. And I think that's it. I'll put that above negotiations. Cool. And then on the first page, I can get rid of the back button. And then on lawsuits, I can get rid of the next button. Cool. Now, if I open the book, yeah, cool. Then, yeah, cool. There's all our pages. That still does nothing. Oh, this is something I hadn't checked. I didn't check that it stays on the one that I close it on. Seems to, which is good. Because you're going to want it to stay on the same one. Yeah. Cool. That's good. What is the first one? Current tab, reset to 0. Perfect. That's going to start on the 0th tab, which is what you want. Okay. And then next button. Let me just select all of these. Go here so I can actually see what I'm doing. Layout. They're not text? It's not a text one, am I insane? Yeah, they do have text. Oh, don't tell me I've got to do each one individually because it won't let you do multiple text. Yippee! I'm just gonna copy it. I know it's like one input, like it's like I've got to hold 2 buttons either way, but it feels faster doing it like this. One, 2, 3. Perfect. Cool, now they all have an arrow on them. Then we're gonna go into theme, quick load, button? What about if I did, instead of button, quick load, display? I'm trying to figure out which one is nicer. Not that one, let's be honest. Oh wait, it's gonna be because of, I just need to select everything here. And then make sure that texture is set to nearest. That'll help. And then if I go back to just doing the next buttons, like so. Oh, wrong button. Like that. And then go back to theme. What? Hello? 13 selected? Why is only 13 selected? There we go, that was weird. What is it on about? Godot is yapping about something and I ain't listening. There we go, 9 selected. Okay, so you can edit the text for all of them at once, it just didn't let me before. Must have had something else displayed without realizing it. Oh, I should select everything in that case and then do a good old... Not like that, like, select absolutely everything and then theme, empty, quick load. Quick load the same thing onto all of them so I can then clear all of them at the same time. Nice, and then if I unselect them and then just go to next buttons, like so, I can go to the theme, quick load, buttons, yeah. Okay, let's see. I want to make this button as big as possible. Because I have the room, really. I could probably go to 48 at the very least. At that, maybe it'll go a little bigger. 64, perfect. Text behavior, alignment, center, trim, nothing, text. Okay, I wish it was a little more centered because it doesn't look the most centered if I'm being honest. And then if I click off and go back just to the back buttons this time. Back buttons like so. I can't see them, but I'm gonna trust. That's a lie, I'm not gonna trust, I'll just do this. There we go. Smile. And then theme, quick load theme, buttons, theme overrides, fonts, font sizes. What did I set this for? Just 64? Yeah. Cool. So now I have arrows on either side. So that should look a bit better. Nice. I think the buttons are a bit small though, because they look kind of cramped. It doesn't look like it's actually centered, I guess, is the way I'd put it. It doesn't look center, even though it is meant to be centered. There you go. Text behavior. Okay, cool. I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet. I will be right back, guys. Give me one moment. Where is BRB? Cool, I'm back. Okay. I've completely forgot what I was doing, so that's great. I completely zoned out, which is ideal. Yes, I had been doing these buttons because I didn't really not know what else to do. Okay, let's have a look. I've got this. What's at the top? Backend system to calculate stock. Okay. How did I say I was going to calculate the stock? Oh. Okay. I was going to do that by having a task multiplier. What are task multipliers? Yay! Task multiplier times employee count is equal to stock change. So, okay, I can do that. I can change that. I can do that. If we go into global, I can make a function called earns, I guess, stock increase, stock change, stock change, and then that'll give us this. Let me just pass it through for now. Okay, so stock change is gonna take in stock mult. That's gonna be the value, or I guess task val. No, task mult makes sense. Task mult, and so that is gonna do. So stock plus equals task mult times by emps, which is my current employee count. That is what I had written on the back end before. So I'm going to set it to 100 by default. And default employee count will be 10. Default mood would be 0. Default time is 0. These defaults are also all 0. Fires total. I guess I could do a whatchamacallit. I could change this to be task complete. Task finish, I guess. And then so that'll do task multiplier, and then it will also do task total is plus equals 1. Just increase it by 1, so that happens when you finish a task. It felt like I had like a vibration from like a phone vibration, but I didn't, because my phone is there, so my leg just kind of, I guess, vibrated something. I don't know. Like, it's weird. I don't know how to describe it. The best way to describe it is it's kind of wacky like that. Like that. Okay. What is this? Node virtual ready. Okay, wait. I can close this. I can close this. I don't need that open. Save that. Okay. So, there's this end of day function, which I need to also get. I guess I should print and then print total tasks completed, and then do plus task total. There you go. I should also do current stock value is stock, I guess, and then I'll do plus, and then I'll do bracket, and then this again, like that. Oh wow, I love that. Can I just stop? Let me do 3, and then, oh my god, please, Godot. I want to do 3. Love of God, Godot. I know what I'm clicking. Thank you. Jesus Christ. Task mult. There we go. Jesus Christ. That's a pain. Just so I know what the task multiplier was. Bum, 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 bum. It would also be good to have tasks started, because like this is tasks total, task comp, I guess, var task comp, which is int 0. Cool. Task comp, so number of tasks completed. Plus brackets slash plus task total. So that's number of tasks completed out of the total number of tasks. Wait, no. Tasks completed out of the total amount of tasks. For reference, everything in the print is just for me. Oh. Okay. Okay. I could just have I'm just trying to think of what I should do. It's not easy. I'm doing the 2 hardest jobs in the world: game development and streaming. Boom, mind blown. Let me just, I'm just quick checking Discord. Nope, I don't need to open terminal. Just want to check Discord real quick. Just because I often forget to check it when I'm streaming, but I should be checking it. So that's why I am. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say here. God, I forgot. Yeah, okay, cool. I've checked Discord as I need. I was just quickly scrolling through the streams channel just because I clicked on it to clear the notification, and what it's done is it's reminded me of the fact that a while back, it used to at everyone whenever someone streamed, which was quickly taken away when I started consistently streaming. God, I forgot how long I've been streaming now, though. It's weird. Weird. Anyway, back to actually doing what I need to do. If I can get back to where I need to be. There we go. Where's OBS? There's OBS. Okay. Where is my camera? There it is. Whoa, I zoomed really far in for some reason. Oh, it's on monitor, that's why. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna not fuck it with ball. I'm gonna do the what do you call it? I'm gonna do the stock graph. Okay, I'm gonna just do like this function update time like this there, and then just say update time, just because it's going to get a bit compact if I do it like that. Oops. That should be alright. Whoa, trip. I don't want that there. Cool. That should still work. There should be no issues with that. 9, 05, 10. I forgot how long 3 seconds it is. 15, 20. This song sounds so much like Mario Galaxy. It is uncanny, honestly. Okay. Function. I guess update graph. How the hell am I going to do the graph? The graph is going to be a wild one to do. That is not what I wanted. I wanted Figma. Where's Figma? Okay, I have done this. I was going to do the stock graph next. This one. Yeah. It's gonna do this one next. I'll do yellow instead of orange. Looks a bit nicer. There we go. Okay. Stock graph. How the hell am I gonna do a graph? That is a good question, which I have an answer for. I also lie sometimes. Okay. Way, I have thought of an interesting method. Nah, that would be really weird. There's just graph. There's a graph! Yes! Graphs just fucking exist. Let's go. Hype. Whoa. Okay. The hell? How fancy. Oh god, okay. Oh, forgot to pass. Okay. Damn. This is absurd. This is kind of what we need though. Kind of dope. Cool. That's can be exactly what we need. I'm just gonna have to make the graph myself instead of letting the player do it, I guess. Instead of label, I'm gonna change that to say time, so it's actually clear what the hell it is. Update time. Does it still say level? Yes, I will change it to say time. Tome? Team. Time. Time? Time. 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 Save. Cool. Please be aware that GraphEdit and GraphNode will undergo extensive refactoring in a future 4.x version involving compatibility breaking API issues. API changes, sorry. That is fine. I will remake it. Don't show grid. Don't show that. I want a minimap disabled, toolbar menu, don't show menu. Perfect. I need to change it so you don't see. Don't show shit. Okay, I need to change that. Over to 0. Right, if true, enable disconnecting of existing connections in the graph by dragging the right end. If I know what that means. Scroll pans? Oh, like up and down instead of zoom in. How you can... Okay, I need to disable a lot of the features of this. Which I might not actually let me disable more of. I think I've disabled basically everything I can. Mouse ignore? Can I just ignore the mouse? Okay, well now that doesn't interact with the mouse anymore, which is good. I want to get rid of the scroll, like things on the side. Scroll offsets. Nope. Does it just need to be bigger, or? Okay, if I made this huge, you're still gonna have those. Okay, I see. Reset that. Those. Okay. Let me actually save. Okay. I really need to get rid of those like scroll bars on the side. That's all stuff that is disabled, so that does not matter. I see. Let me just reset those. Size. I guess. What? How big should this be? If that was like there. What position is that? Like 5 pixels off. Minus like 300. Whoa! Oh wait, that's 300 positive, not negative. Whoa! Oh wait, yeah, this is smaller, isn't it? Minus 250, minus 200. There we are. And then minus. Hey, welcome back, Shane. It's fine. I've been having some issues just with kind of being unsure what I should do. Just because it's like I've just been kind of struggling with knowing what my next step should be. But I'm going. How are you? 350. I think so. Nice. I wish I could get rid of these bars. I'm okay. That's good. That's good, man. Okay. And then what's graph now? Yes. Okay. Create. can I need you to connect to something else. If I do another graph node like this, no, not in there, in here, like so, and then just shift it off. See, why is this moving? That shouldn't be moving. That shouldn't be moving. I want them to, should not be drivable, should not be selectable. None of this should be. Can you connect? It's meant to be a graph. I should not be working on the graph right now. There is more important things I should be doing, which I'm not. Basically, here's what I've done since you've been gone. I've added this, which is, well, I modified this a bit, so it's more like the actual gameplay experience. But this is just me trying to write out everything I think I need to do and order them, I guess. But it hasn't really helped because I feel like I'm missing something that's kind of like, I don't know. I just feel like I'm not quite sure what I need to do next, and I'm missing a big thing, which would be like, okay, I've done this, now I can just do stuff. I feel like I'm missing something, but I don't know what. That's where I'm at. Please, skip song. I want something not so slow. That's not so slow. Okay. I can show employee count, that's not difficult. Okay, I can do that in 30 seconds. Not literally. Although, maybe literally. Probably not, but function. I'm gonna put update graph at the top. And then update, and then update. Update employees. Update satisfaction. There you go. And then I should add another label. Employee. Actually, I should get time and then copy and paste that. Oh yeah, I also did. Where is it? I did this. So started work on the display. Although I'm not insane about it, I have to be honest. Press theme. Quick load. Display. Perfect. Paste. No, that's not what I copied. Paste. Employee. I'll just say 10. Like this. Put that there. Cool. Dope. And then save. And then script. Not that one. This one. And then just what is it? Employee dot text is equal to global dot emps. There you go. Done. And then if I just throw this in here, update time, update employees, and update satisfaction, and then finally update graph. Update graph. Done. Boom. Great. Oh yeah, I forgot to set that to string. Whoopsies. There we go. Now that should work. Yay, wow, it shows the current employee count. Wow. Cool, and the clock's working still. Although I feel like that's gonna go off. I'm just gonna wait till that updates to 10 and we'll see. Oh, I should have turned the time up on this. It's gonna take ages. That's done what I didn't want it to. Okay. I'm gonna have to make that a bit longer. There we go. 125. Okay. There we go. That's how I want it. This should not be able to be moved, but hey ho. Okay. Well, that's employee count on there now as well. So, wow, that was so difficult. Oh, I need to stretch my legs. Oh, ow, my knee's cracked. Okay. I feel like I'm losing what I need to do, which is problematic. I literally don't know what it is. I genuinely feel like there's this one thing standing in the way, and it's like, oh, I get this one thing done, we're sorted, I can just like destroy through work. But honestly, I have no idea what that is. I have no idea what it could possibly be. And maybe there just isn't that one thing. Hurdle after hurdle is a game day of experience. Yeah, but it's like, normally you know what your next step is, and it's like, okay, well, now I've got to do that one, now I've got to do this. But this, it's like, I feel like I don't even know what the hurdle is. I'm like, okay, there's some hurdle stopping me, but I don't know what it is. Which is the annoying thing. Like, I've got this list of things to do, but I feel like there's something else I've got to do before it. There's like something which needs to be done before I move on to that. Okay, yeah. Ooh. Ugh. Okay. Let's see. Make a very detailed plan of creating the game itself. Well, I've tried making I've tried to add more detail to the plan. Yeah, but like, you know, if I was able to make a step-by-step plan, I would be able to tell you what the next step I need to do is. I don't know. I don't know, maybe... you see, this isn't what I'm good at. What I'm good at is coding. I need someone to do design for me. I need someone who I can leave most of the design work to. Where's Elliot? I need Elliot in here. Shift off to him. Good. I mean, I know there's stuff I can do. I know this. I could go off and do the main menu. I could do the pause menu settings. I don't know. I could start trying to work on the tasks. I guess that might make sense. Start working on the tasks. Okay, let's start with making calls. Why don't we? I'm gonna say red. Like it's on the back burner. Okay. Actually, red makes it seem like I gave up. I'll just put it back to white. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have a go at doing the calls. Problem is, none of it looks very nice at the moment, but hey, it does not matter. Okay. Where's the computer? Here we go. Okay. I need the phone. Here we go. Okay. So, there is going to be a keypad of 10 keys. And then it's going to say here, like, what it is, I guess. Okay. Phone, label. Okay, let's add some buttons. I need buttons. Button. There we go. Texture button. Oh, is that what I need? Right, texture button, create. And then where's texture? Textures, normal, quick load, button temp. And then will it actually let me keep aspect? And then can I just... This is what I needed! Gah! Okay, before I move on to this. Change type, texture button. Change. Did it just wipe all the text? Love that, love that. It's fine, it's fine. Textures, normal, quick load, button, stretch, keep aspect. Wow, now it actually looks like something. The text is done of a moose, but that's fine. Where is text? Is there not text property in here? Nope. Love that. I guess I'll just write it on the thing. Or I could do a label like this. Label. And then do, what was this? Email. Email. And then, get rid of this. And then do layout. Actually, if I just hit full, like so, and then assign line center, center, boom, easy, boom, 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 boom. Wait, that's time. No, I don't want time. I want label. Copy. Paste. 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 Okay. Phone. Bills. $100 bills. Bills. Signer. Order, because timetable was way too fucking long. And then hire and fire. Fire in the hole. Cool. And then if I just go, oh wait, no, I should do the like that, and then go to theme. Is it not theme override? Oh wait, did I do the theme on here? I did. It's kind of smart of me, but also very stupid at the same time. Theme overrides, font size. Yeah, there we go. I can do that. Nice. And then phone, theme overrides, fonts. No, it's because I've set this one. So weird. There we go. But there we go. Those are the ones that are kind of off. And then font sizes. Make them all bigger. God, I love how much worse they look when they're just 2 pixels smaller because of this thing Godot. Just make it all solid white. Is that too much to ask? To have me having to shrink it all the way to what, 24 less for it to be solid again? So dumb. So dumb. This is why I had everything at what, 32? Which, it kind of worked. Except just some of this is... Oh no, I don't care that much right now. It's not that important. Show me output, please. So. There we go. Okay, there we go. Boom. Now we have buttons. Yippee. And then, what I would like to do is change the font color. Font color's kind of ass. Theme overrides colors, font color. It doesn't need to be that dark. Like that is decent. I'll do 42, 42, like that. Except that kind of blends in, but that's another issue. And then, because it's better than white, at least. There we go. That works. I don't think that's. I'm not sure if that stands out anymore. I'm not. It's quite awkward to figure out which color stands out on grey. Maybe I should have used a different color, but hey ho. Bit late for that right now. Okay. Back to actually what I was doing. The phone. Pick up your damn phone. Okay. Phone. A new texture button. Texture button. So, actually, can I? There's a. What am I thinking of? Like a container. Item list? No. Oh, here it is. Grid container. That's it. Texture button. I'm gonna just copy one of these for reference. That. Okay. And then, rename this. This can be 0, just to test. And then you can also disconnect. Smile. Grid container. Label 0. Yeah. Copy, paste. Oh, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is 9. Grid container. Layout. Columns. 3 columns, please. And then, I don't know, just add a gap? Can I add a gap one, maybe? I don't know. Layout. I think these are all better just outside of the grid container, honestly. Like this. Yeah, this is better. And then I like how the numbers are inverse of what they actually should be. What is my dog yapping at, man? Okay, you are becoming... You're 0. 0. No. Okay. I'm just gonna rename all these to just random stuff. No, that's not the one. That's not the one I had selected. Cool. Just so I can go through and rename them all. Well, renumber them all. Technically, that's enough. Okay, 0. Then 3, 2, 1. 6, 5, 4. 9, 8, 7. Then like this, and 0 can go at the very top. Cool. Let me change the labels as well to reflect their actual numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh wait, I think I might have just thought of what I was missing. I haven't done anything which like gives out the tasks. That might be what I feel like I'm missing. Because it's like, how do they know if they've got the tasks or not? I need like on system end as well. How does the system know if it's what tasks it's giving out? That might be it. That might be what I felt like, oh, I'm really missing something. Could be it. Could be it. Let me just scale this. I don't even need to scale, I just need to size it up. Layout. And so on. 50, 50, like that. Feels like such a big area for such small buttons. 150, 150. That's probably too big. I guess 100 works. No, I'll do 80. And then I'll do a 40 gap between them all. So then it kind of lines up. Okay. Let me move these just directly up. Down, okay. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then we get the bottom lot. Ten, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we get 0. Oh. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let me grab 3, 6, and 9. 6. No, that's all of them. Okay. Oop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 2, 0. As well as these. Yes. Cool, let me just move this over. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. How's that looking? You think this looks good? Let me just make sure everything's spaced out how I want it. Okay, what's the label? It's like left and down. Okay. 4 and 7, everything should line up nicely. If I just move it all left and down. Okay. 7, how are you lining up? You line up good. How do you line up? Layout. Whoa, what the hell? Okay. 30 to 10. 130. Which means 5, 2, and 0 should also all be over 1. Please move. I have no idea if I just moved that 1 pixel. Let me just double check 5. Be in the right position. Layouts. Oh, 311? Vertically? What is 8 at vertically? 210. So, once again, all of these are off by 1. 4. Wait, no, I should do it like this. I was holding shift. 6. 1. Okay. So, how is 3 looking? Layout, transform. Love of God, okay. 320. Okay. 1. Oh, you need to move up 1. 0. Love of God, who knows? Like that. Layout, transform. I'm just gonna go and do this all manually. Honestly, there's a magnet thing, isn't there? For fuck's sake, why do I forget about basic things? Why do I forget about the most basic stuff at times? Let me just use this. See, doesn't this work nicely? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, look at that, it's all done. Wow, so hard. So difficult. Okay, cool. And then, where's font size? I need to up the font size, don't I? Where actually are they getting the theme from? I don't know. Display? Oh, display. Well, yes. Okay. Phone. I can't do anything with the theme there. What about here? No, I'll have to do it in the actual labels. Label. What are you doing, Shane? $11? The hell? Reselected. There's 2 things selected at best. Label. Oh, just this, then that. 11 selected. What else has it got selected? Nothing is selected. Label. 1 is selected. 10. There we go. That's what I wanted. Font size. And let me just up this. Why does it even work like this? It's so dodgy. They're not even centered. God, I love how it's just not fucking centered. Oh my lord. Honestly, why? Is it the font? Ugh. No, that's fine. Okay. Now, if I open up the computer and go to the phone. Yippee, there's numbers now. Oh. And so now I can put a display. Yippee. Actually, that's a good point. Why am I going to detect what's been pressed? I guess I could give phone a script. I guess that makes sense. Scripts. Open. No. I thought it was going to open scripts. There we go. Phone can be lowercase. Cool. Entered. No. What are you on about? Okay, now let's add signals for all these. Pressed, connect. We want to connect this to phone here. Pressed. Why are they just all... I guess it expects it to have a number, so it just automatically doesn't. Interesting. Interesting. This is going to be annoying one to fill out, isn't it? On 0 pressed. Please hide yourself. On 0 pressed. Okay. Here we are. Let me edit on 1 pressed. That's 2. On 1 pressed. There we go. That's obvious. There we go. Cool. Those 2 have signals now. We'll just close all these so it'll be easier to do all the signals. Cool. Here we are. Pressed. This is number 2. Connect. Pressed. This is... this is... number 3. Connect. Pressed. This is number 4. Pressed. This is number 5. Six. Pressed. Pressed. Close buttons. Bone. 7. Pressed. Pressed. 8. That's 7 again. 8. Oh god. 8. Connect. Final signal. Thank god. Bone. 9. Pressed. Connect. Okay. Let me condense this. I guess do it as a string is equal to string. Entered plus equals 0. Does that work? You're not gonna have an issue with that? Dope. 1. 2. I'm gonna actually also add a print entered on this. Just spam this after each one. Cool. 3. Ah, that's not what I wanted. There. Shift, paste. Boom. Okay, 4. No, I'll do it going down. 9. Nope. 8. 7. 6. 5. Save. Nope. I'll just do that. See if that works. Phone 5. It did not like that. At all. I do still have Arc open here. Forgot about this. Oh, my body hurts, man. Is equal to entered plus. Okay, let's see if this works. Phone 0. If I do string like this, and then it's equal to string up. Does that work? Didn't it instantly kick me? Nice, that works. Let me just modify all these bits then. Six, 9, 8, 7 is equal to string entered plus, I want to do a space there, and then close the brackets. Great, that should all work now. Phone 99524. 99524, dope. close up. I'm gonna just condense all this because they don't need gaps between them. There we go. Nice, okay, and then I'm gonna do function delta. Yep. Don't need delta though, so I'll underscore that. Cool. Once. Okay. Oh god. Ow. So, what I'm gonna do is I will say if string if entered dot length is equal to 6, then assignment is not allowed. What? Dot length, that's integer dot length. How do I do string length? Turns the first length of characters. No, that's not what I want. I want the first 6 numbers. Okay, let me check. Godot check length of string. Length. It's none of those. That's right. That's erasing. Is it empty? How? I just want to find how long it is. Returns the number of characters in the string. Wait, no. What? I'm so confused. So what? So that returns... Oh, I need to do... I've realized. I need to do length entered. Is that not it? Dialed. Is it not that? Dialed dot length. Is equal to number, I guess. Number. Oh, I'm just actually stupid. I'm actually just stupid. I believe it's that. Print. There we go. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, did not like that. Save. What's your problem with length? Length. Am I just dumb? Probably. Length. Is it dot length? So you do want... Oh, wait, I realized. I thought this was complaining about something else. Entered. How do I replace? Replace. I can't spell. Replace. Find. Oh, well, thanks. Fine. I just want to do find and replace. File. Go. Search. Replace. There we go. Entered. Dialed. Place all. Dialed not in current scope. Oh, I just spoke dialed wrong originally. Happy now? Okay, I think it's happy now. Okay. Phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Yep, that's working. And then check if I need to check if you've gotten a task which requires the phone. This is why I should have done that. I got cramp. Ow. So yeah, no, I need to do a task which I need to make a way. There we go, that's better. I need to make a way to find if you have a task, basically. That's basically what I need to do. So that is probably what I was missing. The actual giving out the task. So like, here, have this task, basically. I'm just thinking. I'm thinking how I would do that, and then how would I, like, do you have a phone task? Do you have a this task? Do you have a that task? I've had a thought. If global, I guess I should do, instead of having it in global, I should have tasks. Have a tasks thing. If tasks dot phone, okay. Let me then make a new script. New script in here. Create new script. Call this one tasks. Create. Okay. Save. And then open tasks. I also need to go into project settings. Rename this first to be just lowercase tasks. Tasks. And now go back into project settings. Auto load. Find tasks, which is here. Name it tasks. Add. Cool. Close. In tasks, we are now going to say, I'm going to write a load of functions. Functions variables. Variable, okay. What are the different tasks? I'm just going to move this to a different screen so I can see all the tasks. Let's see here. There we go. Make call var pay bills var meeting present meeting var timetable in var wellness check var sign documents var Union talks. Cool. And so these are all going to be standard tasks. And then we're going to have persistent tasks or needy tasks. Needy tasks. This is going to be var email board, and then var take call, and then we're going to have emergencies, and this is going to be var lawsuit, and then I'm going to set all of these to false, because by default, no, you don't have to deal with any of these. Boom. Cool. And so, if make call is true, then it will proceed. If tasks dot task dot make call. Why does it not like this? Tasks. Oh, I hadn't saved it, I don't think. Make call. There we go. Is he, well, just is true, I guess. I can also just condense this down to an and, like that. So if the dial length is 6 and you have to make a call, then pass, I guess, else, and then reset. I'm going to make a function called reset. Function reset, like that. Cool. And then pass that as well. Perfect. Okay. There we are. Making progress. At long last, it feels like I'm actually making progress. This like second half of today has felt pretty stunted. Okay. You're getting on with it now, at least. Yeah, I am. I feel like I'm finally getting into it. Progress is progress, yeah. Okay. So, let's ignore all of this and actually focus on tasks. This is like the important bit that I probably should have done earlier, which is what I felt like, oh, there's something I need to do. This was it. I'm gonna quickly update the Trello so it reflects this. Backend, get tasks. This is what I'm doing now. Perfect. Cool. Rand. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do, hear me out, is cry. No, okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and say, okay, function, ready, and then on ready, I'm gonna do function give task, which is gonna give you a task, and then I'm gonna close out of this function, and then go to function give task. Cool. So, given a task. Let's see here. Oh yeah, Shane, how is the Elden Ring DLC? I'm not sure if you're playing it or not, but I'm assuming you will have heard more about it than I have. And so I'm just interested in consensus about DLC. I'm not playing it right now, yeah. That's fair. There's a boss you're gonna absolutely... Wow, I'm so excited. Yay. Like, literally the only thing I've heard about it really is, I believe it's the final one. Oh, amazing. So a long way to go, yeah. All I've really heard about it is I saw this one Twitter post by Coney, I believe, which Doug replied to, which is how I saw it. Oh god, bringing my Twitter up on stream, this is dangerous. Where's Coney? Let's see if I can find this tweet I saw. Let's see. Oh, okay. No. So, okay. So what I saw was this post from him. So, yeah, very mixed reviews, yeah. So I saw this post, saying, 2 days later, I'm still not sure if Elden Ring DLC fell into meme difficulty territory or if I'm still just playing it wrong. Most bosses 2 free shot and have a 5-hit combo to dodge just to get 1 hit in. Don't get me wrong, I'm not great at these games, but it's never felt so tedious. Might just be a sign to go elsewhere to look for tree fragments, but it's hard to tell. I think that's stuff I don't really should know. And then I read Doug's reply to that. Yeah. And then, when I was looking for this, I found this. Never mind, I was just playing it wrong. My bad, FromSoft, you got it. Yeah. So, I think this definitely falls into that very mixed reviews thing. Yeah. Yeah. That's literally all I've seen about the DLC. It amplifies both the good and bad about Elden Ring. Ooh, that's interesting. It's an interesting way to put it. That's random floating point. I want rand int, I guess. Wait, no, I want computer open. I can close boot though. And monitor, honestly. I will open computer back though. Like bosses with even longer combos doing outrageous damage, but at least it's pretty, fair enough. Also performance issues, I'm not surprised about that part. Honestly, I don't mind long combos which you've got to dodge or like defend against if they're like pretty like weak and squishy. But like if they're like really big combos with high damage and then they also can tank damage, that's absurd. Like they shouldn't be able to take what they deal, basically. Or yeah, if they can, yeah, I feel like I'm explaining it badly. Basically, if they do absurd damage with insanely long combos, then they should be like pretty weak. Like you should be able to kill them easily if you can just get the hits in, I guess. Rand int is the one I'm gonna want. Down to 2 hits of one of 500 long-ass combos a boss can randomly pick between literally never feels fun or fair. No, that's true. I'm not talking about that long, but it's like if it is gonna be like long, then at least make it so like they're like easy to kill. Like I actually don't mind the dodging. Probably not. I say that probably not so much in Elden Ring, because Elden Ring we've seen Elden Ring. Probably not Elden Ring, but like probably in other games where it's like there's not that like bit of randomness with like delays and stuff. Like if it's consistent, then I'd actually be fine with that. All endgame bosses, so they aren't very squishy, unfortunately. Yeah. Well, yeah, but it's just like the weird delay. You've said it's random before. They're not random delays generally. Yeah, but like when there's like weird delays which you can't really predict. Because you've complained about that before. You have complained about that before to me, so don't lie. I should do rand range. Random. Rand range. No. It does feel it sometimes, yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, wait. 2. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81. From 0 to 80, I guess. Okay. Task. I'll say rand task is equal to rand task is equal to this. Yes, it sucks, but I also suck at the game, so I'm not allowed to complain. That's fair. No, I mean, it's kind of hard to comment on when I'm not playing it and I'm not also very good at the games. But yeah, I mean, that's just my general opinion on balancing. And like, personally, I don't mind insane combos, but okay, let me pitch you a boss. A boss where they have this shield so you can't damage them, and they do 500 move long combos, but once they've done that combo, their shield drops and they can't do anything for 30 seconds, and they're one hit. They have 1 HP. Insane new boss concept. It's like just dodging for 500 moves, and then it's just one. You can just punch them. Wacky indeed. 10, 5, 1. Cool. That is not like how many needy tasks it's. How I'm gonna like balance it. Yeah, wacky indeed. Okay. So, if the number is, if rand task is equal to 0, equal to 0, then it will be, I'm just gonna say that would be lawsuit. Lawsuit is equal to true. Cool. And then let me just copy that. Wacky indeed. I genuinely don't know, like, I think that would be a fun boss. Because it would be like so clearly one-off. Okay. And then this is, if it is greater, equal than 1, and rand task less equal to than 5. Is there a better way of writing this out? Because I'm going to have a lot of, like, greater but less than. Like, is there a way to do range, do you reckon? Like, easily? Oh, could I do, so, like, greater than 1, but less than 5. So, like, could I do this? Oh, does that work? Oh, that's dope if that works. I'd rather do it the other way. Like, 1, and then that. Perfect. And then that can be email board. And then that can be 6 to 10. And then that can be take call. So basically, this is a 1 in 10. This is like a 1 out of 10 chance. This is a 1 out of 2 chance, and then this is 1 chance. So like, if these were all 1, like 1 chance to happen, then this is 0.5 chance to happen, and then this is 0.1 chance to happen. Although this should probably be lower. I might lower this. Might make sense to lower the needy task a bit more. I'm just going to do it like this. Make call. And then 11 to 20 would be pay bills. Pay bills. Pay bill. 20, 30, 30, 40. Present meeting time tabling. Wellness check signed documents. 40, 50, 50, 60. Timetabling. Wellness check. Sign documents. After that, it's union talks. Only union talks. Cool. So, I'm not quite sure how I want these to work. Because, like, I'm not sure if I should just make these happen, like, at a certain time. Or if they should also, like, have a random chance of happening. Like, halfway through the day, you've got to start doing it. Or maybe it should be after a certain amount of tasks complete. I think that makes sense. After a certain amount of tasks have been complete. That might make more sense. Okay. Okay. Less than equals that. Cool. I'm going to do that. I'm going to say, print rand task. Cool. Where's global? Is this why I do time? No, monitor. Yeah, here we go. Right? That's a lie. No, where do I do the time? Is that in global? It is. Yes, it is. Okay. To be fair, I could totally just do this. I could totally just move this whole tasks thing into global. And like just condense it more. I might do that. Yeah, I might do that. I'm gonna do that. Because it's like, why do I need to have it all spread out? Global. Tasks. Cool. And then tasks. Give task like this. And then boom. Cool, now they give a task. Perfect. Like that. Boom. Okay. And then cool, I've got all my values, I've got all my task stuff. Save. I'm gonna close that and actually just delete tasks. Remove. Project settings, make sure it's removed from auto load as well. Boom. Close. Save. Something's gonna have an issue. I don't know what. Phone. Phone's gonna have an issue. Yes. Yeah. That's just gonna be global. Global make call. Cool. Nice, and then this is the task thing. Doom time colon space boop that plus that. Cool. Print task number space plus, there we go, save. Whoa, where is your issue? Here? Oh, I didn't say it was a string. That is why. I need to make sure this is a string. String, save, cool. Try again. What's your issue this time? Task, it is Boolean. What? I'm confused. Is inner. Is it thinking rand task is fucking Boolean? Why? I don't know why the hell it would be doing that. Let me make sure it's not. Okay. I'm just saying. Okay. Oh wait, I should do it like this instead, like there. I should fix it. This time. Fuck. Okay, I literally don't know what issue it's having here. Is it because it's... Okay, so for this example, it's 42. I think it's having an issue because I've done it like this. I don't think it likes this, unsurprisingly, but annoyingly. If I did that, that's not gonna work either, is it? No. What I can do is just do this everywhere. I was trying to have it condensed, but nope, guess not. Cool. Task number 17, which would mean pay bills is true. The time is counting up. Very nice to see. What time is it? Okay, half an hour left, and then I will be stopping for the day. Okay. Okay. After all of these, I want to do, I'll make one called task delay, is what I'll call it. And then I'll make a function called task delay. Function task delay. Delay, like that. And then in this thing, I'm gonna write, first I'm gonna say, task total is plus equal to 1, no, plus equal to 1. So that's gonna up that by 1, which is good. I'm actually gonna move time because it's like between all this task stuff. I'm gonna move it here. There we go. Nice. Task delay, adds it to there, and then it needs to generate a random number. Rand int range. Let's say between, what's the lowest amount of time a task should be? 10 seconds? Like, but between getting a new task, what should be the time between like getting tasks? Okay. I'm also going to add into all these and not make call and not make call. Just to make sure that it's like, yeah, they don't already have this. It's kind of the important bit of this. And not lawsuit and not pay bills and not present meeting and not time tabling and not wellness check and not sign documents and not union talks. Cool. So now you can't double up, you can't get the same task multiple times. While you've already got the task at the very least. Then that will give task. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go here before any of this and do if task total or task completed is greater or equal to 3, then do this. Then set. Then do if task comp is greater or equal to 5. Cool. And then actually I can condense this. If I do 5 here and then say and not take call and then elif email board is greater than equal or greater to 3 and you're not already emailing the board, then do this and then otherwise just do this. Cool. That is going to set take call to true. This is going to set email board to true. True. Nice. Oh, and then they should all be in an else, because if you get one of these two, then I don't want you getting another one. So I'm going to have to indent all of this. I love indenting. I feel like I've got an indent on my forehead. Pretty fast, to be fair. Doesn't take much time. That is if I do it right, that is. Cool. Nice. How many lines of code have I done in this one? Okay, 98, that's not bad. Cool. And then nice. Cool. And then if you do any of these, you'll get the task. And then it'll do a delay. And then you get a new task. Cool. I'm feeling good. I'm happy with how this is. So now you can get tasks. Yay. And now I just need to make the tasks. Cool. I'm actually at the point where, yeah, I just need to make the tasks now. I'm feeling good about this. Let me just test it a few times. Okay, what do you not like? This. Oh, I have no idea. I thought I knew, but no, I did not. Email board? Oh, that shouldn't be email board. That should be task comp. Task comp. That's why. Duh. Fresh. Nice. No complaints. 51. It is giving me the task to sign documents. And let's see how long it takes. I'll do a print and say, print orphan notes. Why do we have orphans? And I'll say time until next task. Hey, there's another task, 67. I should also throw an else onto here. Because like else, if you can't do any of these, then just say give task. So it does it again. Give task. Time until next task. Space. Print string. Oh, this isn't a value. I'm hoping to actually see this double up, honestly. Oh wait, it won't. Never mind. I'm stupid. I don't even get this. Never mind. Guess I won't I don't need to know every value going in and out of this thing. Okay. I'll say between 0 and 10, just for test purposes. Cool, let's see. 6, 55. Yep, see, that doubled up, so it gave me a new one. Oh wait, I should actually make it so there's at least 5 seconds of delay, so I can make sure that it's not doubling up. Okay, 55. Nice. 31. Those are 2 tasks. There's a third task. So we've got one from the 30s, 50s, and 60s. There's one from the 40s. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6. There's one from the singles. This one's a fucking vibe, what the hell? Yeah, cool, see? So you saw I already had one from there, so it gave me 43, which I also already have. So it should have given me another one, like it did here. What the hell? I already had one for 4. Oh wait, no, 40's the one below it. I also just did my code wrong. Never mind. That's why that broke. Okay. Oh, and then it just kept going round. Okay. To be fair, yeah, at one point it is just going to keep looping. Okay. 20s, 50s. 30s. So that's 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 2 30s. It's got a 0, which is the sole zeros. That'll be emergency. Got the singles there. So you've got 2, 3, 4, 5 singles and 0. Got 52, which I already had. So got a 1. So 1, 2. Have I got 2 yet? I'm waiting on a 2, which I eventually got here. 6. I got a 6 there. So just waiting on a 2, I believe. Let's see. I would like to see the output, please. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, so then it just spat out a super amount of numbers until it eventually went, and then just crashed, which is fair. That's what I should do. I want to make sure you got all of them before that. We got 2, we got 3, we got 4. So we got 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 0. We got the singles. So 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're waiting for 1. There's 1. So 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're waiting for 6. Which we eventually got here. And then after this point, yep, it just started recurring. Great. Cool. We have all of them then. I'm gonna have to make sure I'll do await for not. If I do not, what? Let me just do lawsuit. Lawsuit. That works. Perfect. So I can just do and this and that. Okay. Await. Let me just do this. This might not be quicker at all, but boom, 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 boom. Cool. Boop, 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 boop. No, that's gonna be weird. Okay. Do. Okay, let me just do this. Then this. Cool, that is all the different types you can have. Okay. And not like this, and then just boop. Oh wow, I did not like that. Weird. Weird how it had a weird issue with that. And not, and not, and not. That should be like this, and not. Okay. Wait, I feel like this is not gonna work. This is just saying if. This is just waiting for them all to not be false. Yeah, it does not like this. Oh wait, that's because it has and. Await for unions talk and. Oh, there's a few ands. Oh, there's a few double up ands here. It's weird. Email board and call and. Okay. I don't know if this is gonna work. If and not. I should do this as an if statement. If not make call and okay. This is just a really fucking long if statement which says if all of these are false. Wait, no, if. Wait, I shouldn't have nots here. I should just have ands. I don't need nots because I'm wanting to check if they're all true. There we go. That's a bit better. Print. All tasks collected. Okay. I'm gonna drop the time on this to be 1. Not that it's realistic, I just need it for testing purposes. Let's see. How quickly is it gonna crash? Boom! There you go. Speedy. It went through all the numbers pretty damn fast. I guess it crashed before. That's interesting. Because it should get all these tasks. Okay. This should also do give task. Give task. Oh wait, this is because I haven't completed it. I didn't run into that fact. Okay. I feel like I'm missing something really obvious. Basically, I just need to check if they have all of the tasks, then don't do anything. Basically. Or no. Okay. Any suggestions? Oh. Ow. Oh. God, I need to stretch. Oh, there we go. Well, what's been said? Probably nothing big. God, why is Conrad's room so hot for some reason? Has he tried opening a window? I'm gonna ask him that. Have you tried opening a window? You tried opening a window. It's actually cooled down here. This is just... Oh, that's why it wasn't working, because I have like email board and stuff in here, which it can't check if they're true or not. Okay, there we go. That should tell me. Cool, perfect. Smile, is it? Oh, it did crash like super fast. Perfect. Nice, so it did say that all tasks got collected. Where is that? It'll be pretty damn close to the top there. Oh, let's go past it. There it is. That's pretty high. That's pretty low down. It took it a while to get all the tasks there. Sorry, I was fighting Melania. I don't know the limits of GD script, but I know making anything that's just a bunch of ands in a row cannot be good practice. Yeah, no, neither. I don't think that either. It took ages for it to get the lawsuit one though. Basically, it's just once, I just need, like, once all of the tasks have been gotten, I just need it to wait for, like, one of the tasks to not be having, like, not have it. Yeah. I want to try and get this done before the end of the stream, which is, like, 15 minutes. So I think, yeah, anything better than this would be good. Hey, it's not even that long of a line, actually. It is, that's a lie. Ooh. Okay. I'd say try developing some kind of more robust system than this. Like, put a good bit of time into making something that you know is efficient and works. Well, everything else is efficient. It's literally just this last bit of, like, I need to check. Because it's like, basically, at the start of the game, it will try to give you a task. If you have not completed any tasks, then it skips over those two, and then it will randomly give you a task. If it randomly gives you a task you already have, then it will give you another task. Right? Big brain. All I have to do is just move where I put this, okay? That's all I have to do. That's all I have to do. Super simple. If I just put this here instead, then it's gonna work. and then this just goes to task delay, like this. Okay, and then I also just need to move task total away from here though. One downside, but it's a single downside, which is fine. I just need to put this there. Oh. I'm actually so smart, I literally just had to move the if statement. Cool, look, this is gonna work now. This is gonna work. Okay. Boom, it goes. All tasks collected. See? It's not crashing. It's not crashing. Let's go! Yeah! Easy. Cool. Let me actually put this back up now instead of it happening every second, up to 45 seconds. There. I think that's fine. I'm so smart. God, I feel good about myself. Big brain indeed. I just had to move where I put the if statement. Because it was just crashing. But now it loops through and finds itself. Because now it will, after hitting all the tasks, it then goes back and it will go through all this and then go, oh wait, here's the one I need, which will take it back to here. So it's a controlled loop which hits where I need it to. Brain. And this also won't cause so much issues because of the delays like 10 times larger at the very least. Well, 10 times larger would be the 10 seconds bit. It's like 45 times larger. So smart. Okay, boom. And now we have tasks. Yes! Now I've actually just got to make the tasks. Okay, yeah, this is literally all I was missing to be able to get going was just this. This was the bit that I felt like I was missing. And now I have it. So I feel good. I'm feeling good. I'm out of my slump. I'm on peak. I still don't know where I'm gonna have the tasks. I might have the tasks in their own script. We'll see. Maybe I was right to have the tasks in a different script. I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna have the code for the scripts yet. That's what I'm saying. The code for the scripts, code for the tasks. That's something I need to figure out. But that's all I really need to figure out. Yes, I think I'm gonna end there. I'm happy with what I've done today. I don't think there's much more I can do, so I am just gonna end there. Please, OBS, for the love of God. OBS! OBS! Please! Oh, that works, does it? But this doesn't. But yes, thank you to everybody who has came today. Same time tomorrow, hopefully. So I'm hopefully gonna be doing this all week, getting this game done. That's all I've got to say. Thank you everybody for coming today. Yeah, what is Discord notifications? Yeah. Nothing important. Cool. But yes, thank you everyone for coming today. I will be seeing you tomorrow. Have a good day. Have a good week. Blah, blah, blah. Yes. Like, Prime, subscribe, notification bells, subscribe. Right. See yous. Goodbye.